Our digital ecosystem connects every step of your business, from sales to production to delivery. It starts with a customer request. The system captures the data and helps sales create and send an accurate quote in just a few clicks. When the customer accepts, the order moves into production planning. Before production starts, planning flows into programming. Here, all the parts are digitally prepared for manufacturing, from nesting and cutting to bending, tube processing, and automation. Every process is validated and optimized in advance. Planners review a digital schedule and adjust capacity and machine assignments together. On the shop floor, machine operators make sure everything is ready, materials and tools. People and machines work together to prepare production. Production begins. Parts are manufactured, checked, packed, and shipped to the customer. Throughout the process, data flows back into the system. Teams use real insights to improve performance and plan what comes next. BySoftSuite is the connected ecosystem, from the first request to final delivery.